What's up, YouTube? This is Nasai 609 coming to you with another video. I haven't posted lately, but this is the update of the backyard. Some of the plants grew in real nice. So yeah, let me give you a little small tour. Here are my Canna lilies, the one that's behind the air conditioning unit. You can barely see it, the air conditioning unit now. This is a different variety. I bought these offline, so they're smaller than I originally had, but I guess they're good. Next season, I'm gonna plant them in a different location. I also got some planters I did. I'm gonna move most of these plants because this area only get morning sun and the rest is shade. Actually like 2 hours. Got some caladiums over here. They only working because, well, not really, but they only working because it's shade. Elephant ears doing good. Canna lilies. This is the variety I had. It would have been much taller if I planted them in the ground. And full sun also. Here's some I got over here, which is really in a bad location. Don't get much sun, but my elephant ears. Also got put some more caladiums throughout the yard. This is a shady area, so some hostas. So this area gets shade too. The elephant is amazing. Big. That one. I actually want to take one of these and make a fountain out of it. This will probably be my best bet. This one right here. Yeah, I think I just might do that before I lose it. Stand back for this. Got some Canna lilies in here. Some elephant ears. I also got some potato vines, excuse me. And this that I was working on. You see, got the planter and the 4x4, and I got light string. So I actually got 4. So I should have been planted these in the ground, but I didn't. Actually, I'm trying to find a location for them. Got another planter up here. The wind kind of came and kind of like blew the cactus down. So I really didn't get a chance to actually stabilize it like I wanted to. I'm gonna try to do that sometime this week. Another one. Um, Actually, I put both potato vines in here. They grow like crazy. And you won't believe this, but I actually have a banana plant, which I think I'm gonna take that one in the house. The rest I'm gonna cut down and cover it with some mulch. I got some planted in the corner over there. This potato vine took over. Actually got bamboo in here. It's clumping bamboo, so even though it can't run nowhere in this container. So I put a bamboo in each one, each planter. Everything in here is annuals besides the bamboo. So I think I might um, maybe put these shed. Got a windmill palm over here. It's doing okay. It's growing some new fronds, and what I think the problem is that it sits in the middle of the yard, so there's a lot of wind coming through here. So anybody in the comments, could you comment and like give me some advice on this windmill palm? I'm in zone 7, you in New Jersey. Um, yeah. So yeah, this is the last thing. I planted a row of bamboo, and in front of it, I got the banana plant or tree, the hardy banana plant. Excuse me. This area gets a lot of morning sun. And this fire pit, let me show y'all this right now, because in the future, well, someday soon, I'm going to turn this into a water feature. It can no longer be a fire pit because it's too close to the palm tree. So, yeah, turn this into a water feature. The gate is right behind me to come in, so this is the first thing they're going to see besides the pool. And so what I want to do is build this part up with dirt on the outside of the fire pit, with dirt that I dig out from the fire pit. I might use cinder blocks and fill that in, but that's where I want to have a waterfall. Have a waterfall to come in there. Something simple. I'm gonna probably dig it 4 feet in the middle, And I was actually thinking about putting some type of wood structure that go across here. Like, so this part will be covered. And that's to give the fish, you know, some security and I probably do it where you can actually sit on this. So I'll make some type of deck or bridge. Um, I was thinking about the same 4x4 that I use for my planters. Take 4 of them and put it across, because I actually did that before I used them, and that came to mind. So we'll see. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be done by next spring, if not this summer. So yeah, I appreciate y'all watching my video. Like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. I'm gonna try to post videos every so often, every 2 days. Excuse me. But while I'm back here, might as well show y'all. So I built a compost pile on the opposite side of this wall. If you can see where the sun is in the way, focus. It's 2 trees between that light post and this light post. It's right in between that. So what I do is, if I'm on this side of the wall, I just toss it over. Yeah. So let me get a little montage going on. And I also got a hummingbird feeder, which the first 2 days I get 1 or 2, 3 at the most, hummingbirds to visit that. But in the morning it's in direct sunlight, and I think it gets hot or warm, too warm for them. So I gotta find a different location. Uh, Now I can show y'all my Boston ferns. I couldn't think of the name of it when I went past it the first time. Also bought a little fountain right here. It only comes on actually when the sunlight is bright. So thanks again for checking me out. Till next time. Have a blessed day.